How to test API in Postman using environment variable. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn Postman environment variable, and which is mostly asked question. There's a lot of comments I got regarding this, like how to test APIs using Postman environment variable. Okay, so from scratch with a complete practical demo, I'm going to tell you guys. So if you're tired of copy pasting token again and again, changing base URL, that is this URL, manually updating headers, so headers are there, so updating headers, okay, or for every request, then this video will save you a lot of time, guys. Okay, so let's get started, guys, and watch video till end, guys, so you will get all the things. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for such more videos, guys. Okay, so first we'll see what are environment variables. Okay, so guys, environment variable in Postman are dynamic values. Okay, you can see here is their environment, right? So that I'll tell you practical also. First we'll see the definition. So environment variable in Postman are dynamic values that you can reuse across requests. Okay, so instead of writing the same value multiple times, for example this, you define it once and Postman automatically reflects it whenever required. Okay, example, there is an base URL, there is an JW token, because base URL we use multiple times. JW token also we use for all the APIs. There is an user ID and there is an API keys, guys. So these are some variables or example which we use every time. So they make your API testing easily. Okay, so guys, why we need this environment variable? So what is the use of that? So let's understand, guys, with a simple example. Imagine you have development environment, testing environment, and production environment. Okay, so if you hard coded URLs like this, guys, like how you are hard coded here. Okay, see if anything changes in environment, every time we need to change or we need to update the API, guys. Okay, that too manually, which is wrong, or which will take a lot of time, guys, for that. So environment variable has solved this problem, guys, easily. That is, like there are a lot of variables, guys, in Postman, like type of variables. So where the Postman supports multiple type of variables, like there is a global variable, there is a collection variables, environment variables, and local variables. So in this video we will focus on environment variable because they are most useful in real project, guys. Okay, so I hope you got what is environment variable and what is the use of that and why we use in Postman. Okay, so now we'll see the practical guys. Okay, so for that, what we will do is we will create first one environment. Okay, so for that, to create an environment, you need to go in your Postman application. Then here, guys, inside where you can see, guys, there is a collection. Then after collection there is an environment. Okay, guys, watch this video or watch this point at least very carefully, guys, because very important it is. Okay, fine. So after opening Postman, you will see here on sidebar there is an environment. Just click on that, guys. Okay, so here you can see, guys, there is a global variable, there is a local variable. Okay, so what we will do, guys, we go in local variable. Okay, here, or we can create new also, guys. From here we can duplicate here and I can create one more, guys. Okay, so we'll see one more, guys. Here you can see it is taken base URL and auto token. Okay, that I'll tell you later, guys. Okay, so here we are creating one variable. Okay, so we'll write here like environment. Okay, so we have created one environment, guys, here. Okay, so first you need to create one environment by going here. So next, what we have to do, guys, now we need to add the variables. Like here you can see there is a base URL and there is a auth token. Okay, so first we'll take this base URL on auth, will keep as empty, then later we'll see how to do that. Okay, fine. If it is not there, then you can write it manually as base URL. Okay, done. Now I'll go in my collection. So collection means in my API. So here I'll take these APIs, guys. Wait. Okay, I'll take this APIs, guys. Okay, so in that, here I'll go in login. So this is my login API. Okay, remember this is my login API because I have created APIs. Now this is my base URL, guys. Okay, so instead of writing this, because you can see, guys, everywhere I have written this. Here also I have written in this API. Here also I have written, you can see this. Everywhere I have written this. In update also I have written. Right? So what I'll do is I'll just copy it. So go in environment here. Okay. And here I will add that guys. Okay. Now I have added here. Now I'll go in collection in my APIs. Just go and login guys here. Okay, now what I have to do guys, I have to replace this with my base URL. So if you type here like curly braces, okay, and you type here, you can see guys here I'm getting the base URL whatever I have added. So type here guys. So you can see it is in blue mark. So it is in, if the color is blue then it is correct. If the color is red, if you got color red, then there will be some error guys. Okay, or you have not set properly environment. So understand that. Okay, so now we got blue. Then here is my URL guys. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to log in. Okay, so I'll send here. You can see guys, now I have logged in. Okay, so this base URL I can use everywhere guys. Now if I go here, get all users, so here also you can see guys, everywhere I have added this. So directly what I'll do, I will add here base URL. See, okay, and suppose if anything get changes here, like for example in URL, if anything got changed, then no need to go here and do the changes. Okay, directly I will go in environment. Here I'll go and here I'll change this. For example, if the port is 8001, here I will change, right? No need to go everywhere and every need to change, right? So in one shot we can do this guys. Okay, and I'll go again to Postman collection where I was in login, right? Okay, like this guys I can use for all my APIs, so it will reduce my lot of time guys, right? I hope you got it right. So this is, you can see guys, this is the dynamic request which Postman will automatically replace guys. Okay, because it will take directly base URL means it will take directly from where environment variable and it will replace that with here. You can see if I go here, if I'll take a cursor, you can see guys I'm getting here you like path also. You can see it will take dynamically from environment. Okay, fine. Now this is done guys. Now you can see guys, now we have to do setting token using login APIs. Okay, there is a here is login API, right? So we got here one token, so this also we have to set guys for like in environment. Okay, that I'll tell you how to set. But one thing I want to tell you is, see, this is my token. If I go in get all users, here also I have given, see, here also I have that token guys, I have copy pasted here. So in all things I have added here guys, you can see. Okay, suppose if the other user has logged in, then token will get changed. Then again I have to go here. Then again I have to change, right? Everywhere I have to change it. So it will take a lot of time if I do that for all the APIs, right? So if I use environment, it will make it easy. So that I'll show you guys. So what you have to do guys, just go here in login API. In response, we will get the token. Okay, I'll do once again login guys. So you can see now token has changed. Okay, so I got token now. So now just go here guys, here you will see script. So if I using any old Postman, then you will get here test guys here above. Okay, this is my updated Postman, so I will get here script. So if you as I told you, if you get test, then you can do in that guys. Okay, so I'll go in script here. So here you need to select as post request, not pre request. Okay, we have to select post request. So in post request, what we have to write, guys? So you need to write here like pm dot environment. Okay, then you got here, see, dot set auth underscore token pm underscore response JSON. This we have to take this. Okay, so I'll make it tab here, so you can see this. This we need to write in script. Got it, guys? Whatever login API is in there only we have to write, guys, not in other API. Okay, in login API only we have to write. So I'm in login API. In script, I have added this. In some Postman, there is a test. You need to add in test. In updated Postman, there is a script. See, again and again, I'm repeating it. So you will understand. Okay. So I added this. Just you have to add and keep like that only. Okay. Now what you need to do, guys? Now here we'll go environment. I'll show you first thing. Okay. Now you see here guys, here is an base URL and here is my auth token. Okay. So whatever auth token I have taken here you can see is that only I have taken here. Okay. Got this you need to write guys. Okay. Before testing the login API by adding auth, you need to write here auth token. Okay. Go in collection now. I'll do login now again. Okay, you can see this token has been changed, right? I have logged in now. So suppose if I go here in environment and if I check here, here it should get added, but it is not added. Okay, once again we'll see it. So just go here. Here I have done one mistake, that is see here we need to add the response because it is telling reference response is not defined. So this response you need to add, with this also you need to add guys. Okay, so I have checked that guys. So okay, so this is done. And one more thing guys I have to tell. Now I'll test guys here. Here in environment, here we should get the token guys. Okay, so I'll go in test collection, login, then I'll try to log in. Okay, it is 21 guys. So I'll go in environment here. See here, still token is not coming, right? So here one more thing we have to do guys, that is auth token we need to take at first. Okay, so this base URL take here while writing because it will consider the first thing guys. Okay, automatically it will store here, so it should come at first. Now we'll go here, go in login, then send guys. Here it is 22. Here response is correct. We'll go in environment, check here. You see guys, now the token has been automatically added here because at first it will check guys, if it is not there it will not add. So while taking auth token we have to take at first, then we have to take base URL. Okay, so here it is added guys. Okay, so now every time no need to add this in all the EPLs. Okay, so what you have to do guys, now this is login is done. Okay, sorry, here we were using this guys. Now the login is done, we got response. Okay, suppose if I want to get all the users now, we have to add authorization token here, right? See, if I try to do, it will then unauthenticated, right? So what we have to do is just add here bearer token in authorization, add bearer token, remove this guys, remove everything. Now here just we need to do curly braces, then we have to take auth token. Directly it will take from that environment variable dynamically. Okay, now if I try to send, see I got all the users. Our error also got solved, that is authorization error, right? Unauthenticated. See guys, we got all the users. Same guys, I can do. You have to do for all the users. For to get single user also, you need to do the same thing, guys. Here we have to change. See, we got again error. It is telling you are not logged in because it's not getting that token. So just remove this. Just add here. Now try to send. See, we got the response of 3 users because I have 3 ID, right? So like this, what you can do guys, one shot we will do all the things. Like just in environment variable we have to add the base URL token, and here no need to add everywhere the token, this token. Directly you can test the APIs by adding only this thing guys. Okay, and this thing here. So I hope guys you got this right. Okay, so this authorization is also very important guys. Okay, so sometimes what will happen guys, we will do some common mistake like beginners mistake, that is forgetting to select the environment variable. We will not select that, or typing wrong variables. We will write sometime wrong variables guys, not saving environment changes. we will not save whatever the environment changes we do, that one we do. Then using global variables instead of local variables. Sometimes what we will do is we'll use the global variables instead of local variables. That is also one problem. So always double check what you're selected, whether it is environment, or here you need to select is environment, local, global. Sorry, environment or local. Here we need to select the correct, okay, environment. Okay. So this done, guys. Now finally, guys, what we learned here. So today we learned, guys, what are environment variables, why they are important, how to create them, and how to use them with base URL. Okay. Even we have seen the JWT token also, guys. This is must known skill, guys, for every backend and API developers. Okay. So guys, if this video is helped you, then guys like the video and comment if you want advanced Postman tutorial. Okay, and subscribe for more backend and API content, guys. So see you in the next video. And thank you so much, guys, and keep supporting, guys.